Silver Game of Thrones. So we came back to collections. So what we have today? I got package today from SD Bullion, and this is North America most famous folklore creatures edition collection. So what you see here is my two ones of these creatures. They are from INTAGLIO mint, and they are two ones. I have, I believe, full collection. I have full collection of them, and we go one by one. But I tried to complete this collection by one ounce of the same coins. So this is what we have. So let's open it. Okay. Minimum you save time on boxes, right? I hate when people see boxes. So let's start from this one. So this is from SD Bullion, the giraffe. So this is you know, usually I start to be very skeptical these days about all these new collections, but I grabbed this one because they say it's exclusive giraffe silver coin, and this is first from world's wildlife, and this special for SD Bullion. And this is the giraffe, the first one. I don't know how many coins they will do, but there are 30,000 of them. So I don't know. Look like quality is good to me. This is from Chad, right? Congo. No, sorry, it's from Congo. This is from Congo, 20 francs. Yeah, 2090. Yeah, looks okay to me. No scratches so far, but need double check what's going on here. I'll double check later on. So this is what we have. One. Okay, so as I say, I have two ounce and this is 1 ounce. So let's go one by one. So first of all, this is a Kraken. This is a Kraken. The most famous, right? By the way, they are these coins. Why I like INTAGLIO mint? They kind of very unique coins, you know. And if you look into these coins, you know, these all creatures, right? They become a part of major movies, you know, children books in America. And kind of all kind of commercial ventures, and what I think, this, you know, these are ideal choices for investors like us who want to diversify our tangible assets with some pure silver, white collectors like we enjoy adding Georgia's design, or you know, like this coin creature from North America folklore to their collections. I think it's very cool, you know, when you can collect not only American silver legal, but coins like this. And yeah, it's 1 ounce, 2 ounce, the Kraken, the first one, and I have 1 ounce. You see the smaller one, also INTAGLIO. I also have Unicorn. You see this 2 ounce and this is 1 ounce. It's very cool collection. Yeah, 2 ounce and 1 ounce. Okay, now what I got, I also have this one is Chupacabra. Excuse me if I didn't pronounce it correctly. This guy has a scratch. You see the small scratch here. I didn't pay attention first time when I grabbed it. Now I see the scratch. Yeah. Oh no, sorry, it's part of the coin. This is not a scratch, this is part of the coin. I saw another. I don't know why they put it. It's kind of part of the coin. Chupacabra, right? Maybe I'm wrong, okay? Let me know if I'm wrong. And this is, let me take it out. Now, that's a beautiful coins, really. Okay, so this is 1 ounce. Yeah, exactly the same design, and I believe the same size of the coin. You see, it's just wider. Just wider. Oh, you see? Yes, you see the scratch is part of the coin. You see the 1 ounce, it also has scratch. I was thinking it's a scratch of my coin, but then no, it's a part of the design. Wow, very cool. Yeah, it's another creature, Chupacabra. Okay, 2 ounce, 1 ounce. The next one is Mermaid. Mermaid. You know, the killing head. And I also bought this one, which is 1 ounce. Exactly. Okay. Intaglio mint. 1 ounce. Okay, we are putting it here. Okay, next the Loch Ness monster. And I grab 1 ounce. Okay, and really guys, like around $20, okay, and they go very fast, trust me. I was hunting them, and like three months ago I saw them and they're gone, they're just gone. I'm not sure how many they even, you know, how many they even produce. They never mention, I think, you know, when I look for how, you know, for quantities, they never mention. Yeah, $9.99, of course, fine silver, 1 ounce. The next one is a big food, right? And here I grab 1 ounce, big food, right? Very cool. Yeah, 2 ounce and 1 ounce. Yeah, Intaglio. So what I'm missing, you see, 3 coins I'm missing. It's a werewolf. This is a Jacob Lope, and the Mossman. Yeah, so these 3 are missing. So no, basically it's 4. There is one more, which is Jersey Devil. The Jersey Devil. I have 1 ounce, and I'm looking for 2 ounce coins. Yes, for 2 ounce. Okay, so yes, this is what we have today. I hope you enjoy my show, and let me know if you guys collect them or not. I believe this Intaglio mint is very collectible coins, and I'm watching them all day long, and if I see, I grab them immediately. Yep, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. Silver Game of Thrones. Bye bye guys.